Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is change of active into passive voice for declarative sentences when the tense is past progressive. So in past progressive tense, the sentence structure of active voice will be, first of all we put subject plus was or were plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. And when we change it into passive voice, then the object of the active voice will become the subject of passive voice, and subject of active voice will become the object of passive voice. So in passive voice, object mean object of active voice. So we will put it over here in the very first, in the very beginning. Object plus was or were plus being plus third form of verb, which is also called past participle, plus by plus subject. Subject means subject of active voice, that is over here object. So example check here. In active voice, the chef was preparing a special menu. So the chef will be subject, a special menu will be object. When we will change into passive voice, then it will become in this way: a special menu was preparing will be changed into was being prepared, then we put by, and then the subject of active voice, that is the chef. So the passive voice sentence will be, a special menu was being prepared by the chef. In second example, the active voice sentence is, the teacher was explaining a complex concept. So its passive voice will be, a complex concept was being explained by the teacher. In third sentence, the active voice, the manager was reviewing the sales report, and its passive voice will be, the sales report was being reviewed by the manager. Here, change of active into passive voice for negative sentences for the same tense, that is past progressive. In active voice sentence, we put subject plus was or were according to the subject, plus not plus first form of verb plus ing means present participle plus object. Its passive voice will be, first of all we put object plus was or were plus not plus being plus third form of verb, that is also called past participle, plus by plus subject. So check over here by the help of examples. The chef was not preparing a special menu. So its passive voice will be, a special menu was not being prepared by the chef. In the next sentence, the teacher was not explaining a complex concept. So its passive voice will be, a complex concept was not being explained by the teacher. In third sentence, check here, the manager was not reviewing the sales report. So its passive voice will be, the sales report was not being reviewed by the manager. Here check the change of active into passive voice for interrogative sentences for the same tense, that is past progressive. Here in active voice sentence we use was or first in the very beginning according to the subject, plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object, and then we put sign of interrogation. In its passive voice we put was or were in the very beginning plus object plus being plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. So its examples are here. Was the chef preparing a special menu? And its passive voice will be was a special menu being prepared by the chef. The next sentence is active voice sentence is was the teacher explaining a complex concept? And its passive voice will be was a complex concept being explained by the teacher. In third example, the active voice sentence will be was the manager reviewing the sales report? And its passive voice is was the sales report being reviewed by the manager? This one is activity for you. Write 5 sentences of each state, 5 sentences of declarative, 5 sentences of negative, and 5 interrogative sentences. Do write on your English notebook. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Why do we change the active into passive voice? Please read them. The next one is basic rules for changing active into passive voice. Please read them again. Allah Hafiz. Thanks again.